In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the issue of WhatsApp not sending photos or videos. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings. Now here you're going to find the option airplane mode. Enable for that option. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. With this, you might be able to send the photos and videos. Next up, clear cache for the WhatsApp. For that, scroll down, go to the option General, click on iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp and launch it. Now click on Offload app, confirm it, wait for a few minutes and then reinstall it. Likewise, check if you are connected to any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it. Likewise, check date and time in your device. Toggle on for the option set automatically. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check the server status of WhatsApp. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website Down Detector. Search for WhatsApp. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If none of these solutions work, completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the WhatsApp. Select Remove App, click on Delete App and confirm it. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp and then install it. And that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.